Algorand value equivalent to 2.9034 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.8499 to 2.9659. The earlier day close, 2.9163. The change was 0.0129, 0.44%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 2.84 rands, high 3.04, low 2.64. Algorand estimate on Monday, June 5, cost 2.84 rands, high 3.04, low 2.64. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.81 rands, high 3.01, low 2.61. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.84 rands, high 3.04, low 2.64. And multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. Algorand gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 2.85 rands, high 3.05, low 2.65. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 2.65 rands, high 2.84, low 2.46. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 2.64 rands, high 2.82, low 2.46. Algorand gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 2.83 rands, high 3.03, low 2.63. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 2.83 rands, high 3.03, low 2.63. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 2.80 rands, high 3.00, low 2.60. In about a month Algorand gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost 2.84 rands, high 3.04, low 2.64. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost 2.71 rands, high 2.90, low 2.52. Algorand gauge on Monday, July 3, cost 2.78 rands, high 2.97, low 2.59. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.91 rands, excessive cost 3.15, while low cost 2.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.79. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.71, change for June 6.9%. Algorand figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 2.71 rands, excessive cost 3.01, while low cost 2.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.65. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.52, change for July 7.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 2.52 rands, excessive cost 2.52, while low cost 2.07. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.34. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.23, change for August 11.5%. Algorand figure for September 2023. Before all else cost at 2.23 rands, excessive cost 2.23, while low cost 1.74. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.02. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.87, change for September 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.87 rands, excessive cost 1.87, while low cost 1.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.75. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.68, change for October 10.2%. Algorand figure for November 2023. initially cost at 1.68 rands, excessive cost 1.92, while low cost 1.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.76. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.79, change for November 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023, initially cost at 1.79 rands, excessive cost 2.23, while low cost 1.79. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.97. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.08, change for December 16.2%. Algorand figure for January 2024, initially cost at 2.08 rands, excessive cost 2.08, while low cost 1.63. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.89. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.75, change for January 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.75 rands, excessive cost 1.75, while low cost 1.37. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.59. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.47, change for February 16.0%. Algorand conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 1.47 rands, excessive cost 1.62, while low cost 1.40. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.50. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.51, change for spring 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 1.51 rands, excessive cost 1.87, while low cost 1.51. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.66. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.75, change for April 15.9%. Algorand conjecture for May 2024. To start with cost at 1.75 rands, exorbitant cost 1.75, while low cost 1.44. They found the middle value of cost 1.62. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.55, change for May 11.4%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.55 rands, exorbitant cost 1.81, while low cost 1.55. They found the middle value of cost 1.65. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.69, change for June 9.0%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.3444 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3372 minus 0.3509. The earlier days nearby 0.3429. Change for now plus 0.0015, plus 0.44%. Rand to Algorand gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 0.352 coins, high 0.379, low 0.329. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 0.352 coins, high 0.379, low 0.329. Rand to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.356 coins, high 0.383, low 0.332. ZAR to